Remember this guy?
Hello, I'm Mike Lindell, inventor of MyPillow.
Let's talk about it. Imagine being sued by a government lawyer who's actually just an AI. Now imagine the evidence against you was gathered, sorted, and argued by code. That's not sci-fi. That's what just happened in California's $2.5 million smackdown against MyPillow. We're officially entering a world where AI is becoming a judge, jury, and maybe executioner. In today's video, we break down the MyPillow lawsuit, how artificial intelligence built the case, and why your next day in court might be against the machine. And also, if you like what we're doing here, subscribe to the channel. I make videos all week about stuff in the AI news. Let's go. Let's start with a case that's making headlines nationwide. MyPillow, the pillow company made famous by its ultra-political CEO, Mike Lindell, just got hit with a $2.5 million fine by California. Why, you ask? Allegedly, the company used misleading ads claiming their products could treat conditions like fibromyalgia, PTSD, and even COVID-19, all without any scientific or medical validation. California's Attorney General, Rob Bonta, called it out as predatory marketing, targeting vulnerable people looking for relief from chronic pain and anxiety. But here's what sets this case apart. AI helped build the legal attack. Behind the scenes, California's legal team used a powerful AI tool known as Aletheia, named after the Greek word for truth. This software scanned thousands of MyPillow ads, social media posts, blog content, and customer reviews. The AI flagged red flag phrases like clinically proven, cures insomnia, and healing sleep, all unverified by health claims. And it didn't stop there. Aletheia categorized legal violations, matched them to precedent, and even suggest what the fine should be, based on previous cases. In other words, the AI wasn't just reading documents, it was helping shape the entire case. And this is not just happening in California. Across the entire US, artificial intelligence is quietly transforming the justice system. In New York, AI tools help judges assess bail and predict flight risk. In Texas, prosecutors use machine learning to analyze repeat offender patterns. And some states are piloting AI systems that recommend sentences based on past convictions. Supporters say AI makes justice faster, fairer, and more efficient. After all, humans do make mistakes. Algorithms don't get tired or emotional. Makes sense. But critics raise the alarm. If the AI is trained on flawed or biased historical data, it could reproduce those same injustices at scale. And what happens when you can't even explain why the AI made a certain decision? Imagine standing in front of a digital judge and having no idea how it reached its verdict. That's pretty terrifying. This MyPillow case is part of a bigger picture, an AI-fueled legal arms race. Governments and attorney generals are using AI to catch deceptive practices faster than ever, but companies aren't staying quiet. It's reported that MyPillow looked into using AI tools of its own to review risk, shape its public opinion, and maybe even countersue. Law firms everywhere are now using AI tools like Harvey AI, Casetext, and Lexis AI to research cases, draft motions, and predict how judges might rule. In a few years, we might see AI versus AI in a courtroom, with humans just watching from the sidelines. The $2.5 million fine against MyPillow, this is just the beginning. This case isn't just about pillows. It's about power and how it's shifting from lawyers and judges to algorithms. Whether this is a revolution or a nightmare depends on transparency, oversight, and how we design these systems. So I want to hear from you. Would you trust an AI judge? Should algorithms be deciding legal outcomes? Or is this one line that we shouldn't cross? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, subscribe. I do this every week.